welcome to this vlog. I'm super excited to share with you this Monday morning routine vlog, and the most exciting part about this vlog is that I filmed this video this morning and uploading it same day, so I'm doing double work so that you can see this video instantly. Also back to vlogging, so give this video a thumbs up. I know you guys love my vlogs, I can feel it from you guys. You guys give me such awesome comments whenever I share vlogs, and every day I get requests to do vlogs, and you know it's very difficult to do vlogs every day, but I'm trying to do more vlogs for you guys again. So if you want more vlogs, give this video a thumbs up. Also, it's getting really hot here because it's already February end. We are entering into March and Singapore is getting super hot. It's like boiling hot. I started filming this vlog after my husband went to work, so he already had his breakfast, and Ranveer also had his breakfast along with his dad, so I missed that part. But whatever I eat in this vlog, same thing my husband also had. So let's start with the vlog. Before we start with the vlog, I want to request you guys to subscribe to my YouTube channel SuperPrincessjo, and also give this video a like and leave a comment below. Anything you feel like, just leave a comment below because I love reading your comments and replying to them. And if you're new to my channel, or if you're just Benji watching my channel and haven't subscribed to my channel, please make sure you click on that subscribe. That means a world to me. So let's start with the vlog.
Subscribe to my YouTube channel SuperPrincessjo and hit on that bell icon to see all my latest videos first. So I'm starting off this vlog after my husband left for work after breakfast, and my son already had his breakfast along with his dad. Then I asked my son to arrange his school bag, so he's doing that, and I'm cleaning up the tables, the dining table, the center table, and arranging the bed and his toys and cleaning up stuff. Also, a very saddening thing happened that the beautiful actress, the legend Sridevi passed away, so I am also feeling really sad of what happened. Let's wait for the exact news what happened, because it is really shocking to know that all this happened because of a heart attack, even though she was fit. Leave your comments below what you think about Sridevi's death. And then I've cleaned up my room. Usually on Mondays there is lot more mess in the room, because on weekends I usually don't do a lot of cleaning, I just do little cleaning. Now it's time for my son to get ready for the school, so I gave him bath, I'm ironing his cloth, I'm getting him ready for the school. And sometimes I ask him to put on his shirt buttons by himself just to engage him, or sometimes if we are getting late, then I do everything for him because he's just 4 years old. I also give him a glass of milk before he leaves for the school, because it's been an hour already from the time he had his breakfast. So we are just going to his bus pickup point. Usually his bus comes exactly on time. That is what I love. I don't have to wait for his bus ever. Hardly I wait for 5 minutes and his bus is there.
So now it's time to leave Ranveer for school. Shonu, do you enjoy school? No. So it's time for Ranveer to go to school. His school van is about to come. Do you enjoy school?
No.
Nothing new. He is like no. But I am like, koi baat nahi, even if you don't enjoy, you have to go to school. Shona, you have no escape. Maza aata hai school mein waise?
No.
Seriously batao. He used to say that he loved school till last year because it was more play in the school, you know, when they are young, they are in play group and nursery. They don't have to study much. Now in K1 he has to study more, so they don't like. So he is running. He's excited to go to school, and ye Rose ka hai, he will run around and all, and I have to, you know, bear with him for 5-10 minutes until his school bus comes. So we are waiting for Ranveer's school bus, and this pickup point is just few minutes walk from home. Shonu, 2 दिन के बाद school है, तुमको मजा आ रही है? So it's Monday, and after 2 days Ranveer is going school. मजा आएगा ना शोना क्लास में? आज तो क्या मिलेगा खाने में? स्कूल में क्या मिलता है लंच में?
कल तो राइस मिला था। मैं कुछ
कल तो राइस मिला था, और आज क्या मिलेगा? यूजुअली स्कूल में क्या मिलता है आपको खाने के लिए?
पाविस ज़्यादा मिलते, पाविस कब मिलते मंडे ट्यूसडे सैटरडे संडे को मिल गया था मेरे को और कल तो मेरे को
राइस मिल गया था।
यस मेरे को संडे को राइस ही मिला था।
अच्छा, मंडे ट्यूसडे थर्सडे फ्राइडे को ज़्यादा पॉरेज मिलता है और कल को तुमको मतलब फ्राइडे को तुमको राइस मिल गया था। अच्छा, और टीचर प्लेग्राउंड लेकर जाती है?
K1 पे प्लेग्राउंड नहीं लेके जाती।
K1 में प्लेग्राउंड नहीं लेके जाती है, फिर क्या कराते हैं पूरे दिन स्कूल में?
नर्सरी पे लेके जाते, बेबी क्लास में।
बेबी क्लास होता है नर्सरी, उसमें लेके जाते हैं।
Yeah.
और K1 में क्या कराते हैं फिर स्कूल में? बताओ मम्मा को, K1 में क्या कराते हैं? पढ़ाई?
यस।
क्या क्या होता है पढ़ाई में? राइटिंग होता है?
नहीं।
राइटिंग नहीं होता है?
नहीं।
कलरिंग?
नहीं, अब स्कूल।
अब रख दूं बस? ओके, बस बस बस। So just dropped Ranveer home and time to run back home. No, just dropped Ranveer to school van and now time to go back home. Look, a hot mess. I don't know if you've seen me this messy before, but yeah, I need to finish up rest of the housework before I get ready for filming. By the way, spring is here. You can see how this beautiful purple flowers look. They are very look alike of orchids, but they are not orchids. I used to think these are orchids, but they are not orchids. This full tree is full of purple flowers. I love, and it's springtime, so all new flowers, and you see the old leaves falling here. I am loving this season.
So usually once I come back home, I usually have a cup of green tea or Indian tea or just a glass of water, depends what I feel like, and then I clean up all the breakfast and the kitchen area because it takes really lot of patience and time, and I don't want to do it when my child is at home. So once he leaves to the school, this is my peaceful time when I clean up my kitchen. So that is what I'm doing. I'm just cleaning the morning breakfast dishes and the kitchen top so that it's all clean for the lunch. So after I clean up the kitchen, this is the time when I feel like having a breakfast. I don't like eating breakfast early in the morning. I don't know why I am always like that. I usually in the morning have a juice or a tea or a little something, but a proper breakfast I only eat a little later. So I'm just making myself Indian tea chai, the ginger tea, and I also made myself vegetable sandwich with chili sauce, and this is the same thing which I gave my husband today for breakfast. And my breakfast keeps changing. It all depends what we want to eat because we are foodie, we love food. So I have already started working on my YouTube channel and my blog and replying to emails, and meanwhile I'm having my breakfast. I usually like to eat slowly, so I love start working early, and then once I finish my breakfast I go back to my home cleaning routine. So I'm vacuuming the whole house because you know it gets dirty and I wish my house can be clean if I clean forever once I clean it, but that's not the case. It does get dirty because you know it happens because yeah I have nothing. I wish the house can be clean forever if you clean it once, but this is the everyday routine. I need to vacuum the stuff around the house, and I usually try to do it while I am listening to music most of the times because it makes me feel happy. I usually play Neha Kakkar songs or Atif Aslam songs, something like that. Sometimes I even listen to YouTube videos and just do cleaning, but I utilize this time like I am though cleaning, and I take cleaning as like exercise. So as you see, I'm mopping the floor right now. I like my floors to be totally clean. I don't like any stains on the floor, and also since I have a boy, he plays around in the house, so I want to clean the house every day so that it's very clean for him as well. So after I finish my cleaning, I go and take a shower. I have already taken bath. Since today I'm not doing a filming. I'm just getting ready for the day, so I usually do a little bit of stuff on my face and apply my moisturizer and comb my hair and stuff, whatever I want to do, and that's all. I'm ready for the day. I just grabbed a quick orange as a snack for today, and I'm going live on Instagram, replying to my emails, editing, and basically doing what I need to do.
So guys, that's all. Once I sit on my laptop, I spend 3 to 4 hours sitting here continuously. Today is a Monday, so it's not a filming day. Usually on Mondays I reply to a lot of emails that I get on Mondays, Saturdays and Sunday. The social media works continuously, so even on weekends we get, as a blogger, we get a lot of emails. So I usually prefer to start my Monday or start my week with replying to all the back-end emails that I get, and also replying to a lot of comments on my YouTube channel, on my current videos as well as on my old videos. So I basically spend most of my Monday planning the rest of the week related to my work, which is blogging, as well as planning my home, what I'm gonna cook, grocery shopping and stuff like that. And then this is how usually the stuff goes. After spending 3 to 4 hours of working on my laptop, I start making my lunch before I pick my son from his school van. So this is my morning usually. If you want more better version of these vlogs, especially when I get up in the morning, please make sure you give this video a thumbs up, because that would mean that you want to see more enhanced version of this vlog. Also, whatever video requests you have, please make sure you leave your comments below. That means a lot. I'm getting back on vlogging, getting back on filming every day, because I want to really, you know, get on my toes and bring more videos for you guys, because I also miss you guys when I don't upload a video for a day or two. So stay tuned for more and more content, and yeah, give it a like to show your love. Bye.